Hello, my name is Daniel Lindner and I'm working as a director at Accenture for 10 years now, and I'm also a trainer for the EPP Certified Price Manager. We are living in challenging times now, so costs are increasing significantly. We see distorted supply chains and margins are eroding across industries for basically all of the companies. But on the other hand, we also see that data and technology opens up completely new opportunities in order to bring pricing to a totally new maturity level. What we will do in the CPM training is to provide you with a pricing toolbox that will allow you to address those challenges and also to realize the potential that we have from the ops that we see. We will bring some showcases from our daily practice to the CPM training, and we will also do some interactive case studies to really apply what we have learned. In our trainings, we will always have a very holistic view. That means we will look into data and analytics. We will also talk about strategy, pricing methods, and monetization methods. And we will talk about pricing infrastructure. That means all the technology, such as pricing software, and the organization that you need to do your pricing in a sustainable way. You will be able to manage your pricing in a very differentiated, dynamic, and automated way after the training. So if you're interested, then please register, and I'm looking forward to meeting you in the training.